Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Prince, and I'm so happy. I'm really happy to be back here again. I've been having this inspiration in my head for a while now, and I just want to bring that inspiration to reality, and I hope it actually comes out nice. So this tutorial, this video is, like what I just said. So before we go right into the video, if you're new in the house, welcome to my abode. Any of you have been in the house before, I see you guys. Thank you for your support. If you're new and you haven't subscribed to me, do that right now. Please subscribe to my channel. You can do that now. I'm waiting. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and also do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you happen to like this video. I know you're gonna like it, so yeah, give it a big thumbs up, and also click the bell button so you won't miss out any fun stuff. Like, you don't want to miss out. Yeah, you don't want to miss out. And also guys, check me on my Instagram page at @queen_leaves. That's if you want to see more of me, and I will encourage you, you should go check me on my Instagram page. Just check me out there. So before I continue talking and doing all my ranting, let's just go right into the video. So yeah, I had my brows done of the camera and my whole face beat, so I'm just going to go right into the room. And yeah, so for that I'm going to be doing voiceover, so do expect me talking in this video because I explained in other videos the situation behind that. So we're gonna do it like that. So this is my benign clown white, which I use as my eyeshadow base. I use it often. If you've noticed, I use it a lot in almost all my videos, and I'm applying it to my lid. That is one of the commonest. That's one of the things I do, like when I'm doing my eyeshadow. So I'm just priming my lid, blending it in. Yeah.
She said she likes a guy that can scan with style. I love my London girl. She said she loves the party and look nice all the time. I love my London girl. She said she loves the original bad man thing. I love my London girl. The way you move, too cool. I love my London girl. She said she likes a guy that can scan with style. I love my London girl. She said she loves the party and look nice all the time. I love my London girl. She said she loves the original bad man thing. I love my London girl. Hey, see, I wanna see you roll, and I promise I know that.
So what I'm using here, I'm making use of that white shade for my romantic palette. This palette too has been very long. I'm applying it to my lid, like you can see here, and I actually increased the primer on my lid so it's be able to absorb more eyeshadow since it's white that I was going for.
London girl, sexy, the way you move, too cool. I love my London girl. She says she likes a guy that can stand with style.
Fresh out from exclusive.com,
she loves the
baby.
party and look nice all the time. I love my London girl. She says she loves the original bad man thing. I love my London girl. The way you move, too cool. I love my London girl. She says she likes a guy that can stand.
So for the next step, I'm just making use of my Davis pencil in black, and I'm going to use it to trace out something in my on my eye. So I'm actually to trace out this shape. I don't know the name of the shape. Is a shape that look at sharp in my head. So anything I draw, I'm using the pencil to trace out the shape. So yeah, trace out the shape.
Friends with Tiny and she's seen my show. She loves my song, she loves the way I jam it. She said whenever my tunes come up, she rock it. She say I'm dope, she say I make a wiggle. Now I'm obsessed and I did this song for you. You move, too cool. I love my London girl. She says she likes a guy that can.
Apparently it's looking like I drew a love shape, but actually it's not a love shape. Just go with the flow. So now I'm using my benign clown white to actually trace exactly how I want the shape to be. You understand?
She says she loves the party and look nice all the time. I love my London girl. She says she loves the original bad man thing. I love my London girl. Roll, wine for me, wine for me. Wine up the waist, get down for me. She ring me on me celly. She wanna know where I'm all about. She got the wickedest twist and she hit the rascal and she got the fine face. She got a ring on her belly and she got no time to waste. I love the way she move her waist, and I want her to come my way. See, I don't wanna see you suffer like. I wanna see you be the best that you
Y'all
can
checking
be
out
in
to
life.
exclusive.com, baby.
Ooh, sexy lady, looking at me, eye. And grab my
I finally got in the shape of what I want. What I'm doing here is I'm just blending out the excess concealer, so the place will be very smooth and it won't look muddy or mushy. You understand, like that. I don't want it to crack. You understand, when I put the colors I want, so that's why I'm blending it properly.
I love my London girl. The way you move, too cool. I love my London girl. She said she likes a guy that can skank with style. I love my London girl. She said she loves to party and look nice all the time. I love my London girl. She said she loves the original bad man thing. I love.
So here is one of my favorite palettes, and from this palette I'm going to be making use of a yellow shade from it. Yes, that yellow shade, it's called April, I think. Yeah, I'm going to make use of that yellow shade, and I'm going to be applying it to the center, and applying it to the center of that thing we drew, that shape we drew. So yeah.
I love my London girl. She says she likes a guy that can stand with
Yeah, fresh out from exclusive.com, baby.
So for those of you that really know me, you will know this is one of my favorites when it comes to makeup. I'm making use of that orange shade that I touched earlier, and mind you, this palette is a blush palette. You know, in makeup you have to go, anything you find handy, just make use of it. So I'm making use of my blush palette as eyeshadow, yeah, and I'm making use of that orange, and I'm applying it around. You can see exactly where I'm touching, so no need to explain that.
The way you ain't driving me crazy. I wanna know you and where you from. She say she's from London town. I love the way you wind that. Please don't stop, yeah, I love that. She say that she know me, I like that. Then I'm friends with Tiny and she's seen my show. She loves my song, she loves the way I jam it. She said whenever my tunes come up, she rock it.
So I'm making use of this pink shade for my Morphe Day to Pray palette, and I'm applying it to the many parts of the shape that I drew, as you guys can see.
I love my London girl. She says she loves to party and look nice all the time. I love my London girl. She says she loves the original bad man thing. I love my London girl. The way you move, too cool. I love my London girl. She says she likes a guy that can skank with style. I love my London girl. She says she loves to party and look nice all the time. I love my London girl. She says she loves the original bad man thing. I love my London girl. Roll, wine for me, wine for me. Wine up the waist, get down for me. She ring me on me celly. She wanna know where I'm all about. She got the wickedest twist and she hit.
And I'm making use of this my pigmented yellow color and that brush, the bump of the brush. That's what I'm going to be using. The end of the brush. So I'm just going to apply little dots to my lid. Then I'm making use of this blue also, and I'm going to be doing the same process. And for the rest of the other colors that they're going to be seeing, showing you just the same process.
Looking at me, I. And grab my hands and let us fly, Because the way you move, too cool. I love my London girl. She said she likes a guy that can skank with style. I love my London girl. She said she loves to party and look nice all the time. I love my London girl. She said she loves the original bad man thing. I love my London girl. The way you move, too cool. I love my London girl. She said she likes a guy that can skank with style. I love my London girl. She said she loves to party and look nice all the time. I love my London girl. She said she loves the original bad man thing. I love my London girl. Hey, see I wanna see you roll, and I promise I don't let you go. Oh my baby, hear me so. Hey, the way you move your body go, my baby, you they kill me so. And I just gotta let you know. Hey, London girl, sexy, the way you move, too cool. I love my London girl. She says she likes a guy that can stand with style.
Fresh out from exclusive.com,
baby. She loves to
baby.
party and look nice all the time. I love my London girl. She says she loves the original bad man thing. I love my London girl, the way you move, too cool. I love my London girl. She says she likes a guy that can scan.
For eyeliner, I'm making use of my ADS go-to eyeliner gel. I use it often, and my Real Technique eyeliner brush.
So sweet, my eyes on you, my sexy lady. The way you ain't driving me crazy. I wanna know you and where you from. She says she's from London town. I love the way you wind that. Please don't stop, yeah, I love that. She says that she know me.
Yeah, this is me just doing finishing touches to my lashes that I fixed off the camera, applying mascara, and just doing all that random stuff.
Now I'm obsessed and I did this song for you. Too cool. I love my London girl. She says she likes a guy that can scan with style. I love my London girl. She says she loves to party and look nice all the time. I love my London girl. She says she loves the original.
Yes, so this is the final result. So guys, tell me what you actually think of this look in the comment section. Do you like it? Is it a yes or a no? Even though this is not close to what was in my head, but I hope it does look great. And also guys, I hope you actually do love it. Then thank you for watching this video so much. For those of you that have been here for a while now, I want to say thank you so much to my 50th subscriber. I want to say big thank you for helping me mark that 50. So let's find our way to 100 now. So thank you guys so much. I am very much grateful. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now and click the bell button so you don't miss out on any fun. And also check me out on my Instagram page at queen_eves. And also do not forget to like and share this video. See you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.